today's mathematics class. What we'll be doing today is to look at this WAEC past question, mathematics WAEC past question. But today we're looking at an objective question. They gave us this diagram, and they said it's objective number 10, 2010 WAEC. They said we should look at this. You can see this diagram. They say here is 4m minus 15. This side is m plus 75. This is the question. What is the value of m in the diagram? Of course, in an objective question, we have 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees. So what we'll be doing is we will solve this and see if the option, the answer is here, and which of them is correct. Solution. The first thing you must find that know is that here is equal to here. Two of them are opposite. Because two of them are opposite, whatever you have here is what you have here. Whatever you have on top is what you have on top. For instance, if you have a diagram like this is angle 360. It means that if here is 10, here should also be 10. If here is 170, here should also be 170. So in a diagram that is opposite, in a diagram like this, whatever is here is equal to whatever is here. Whatever is here is equal to whatever is here. That is the first solution. That is to say, 4m minus 15 is equal to m plus 75. Remember what I said? Whatever is here equals whatever is here. The value that is in this side must equal the value that is here. The angle here equals the angle here. The angle here equals the angle here. Therefore, 4m minus 15 equals m plus 75. So I just said 4m minus 15 equals m plus 75. What do we do? Collect your like terms. M will come over. 4m, m is very positive, so when it crosses equality, it will change to minus m equals to 15 has minus. When it crosses equality, it becomes plus 15. So we now have 75 plus 15. 4m minus m will give you 3m equals to 75 plus 15 will give you 90. 75 plus 15 is 90. Right? Now, what do we do? To find our m, if 3m is 90, what will 1m do? Let us divide by 3. Let us divide by 3. 3 into this, 3 into this. M is not alone. 3 divided 3, 1. 3 into 90 will give you 30. Therefore, we will have m equals to what? 30 degrees. Let us verify and see if we are correct. Let us put m here and put m here and see if we get the right answer. If we come here and put m, we have 30 plus 75 should give us 105. So let us solve the same thing here and see if we get 105. If we don't get 105, that means we are wrong. But if we get 105, we are correct. So we now have 4m is what? 30 minus 15. M times 30 degrees will give us 120. 120 minus 15 will give us 105. You can see that whatever you get here is 105. Whatever you get here is 105. Therefore, our answer is B, 30 degrees. Following this thing slowly, you might not have understood the way we did it, but I encourage you to follow the class slowly. Watch it slowly. If you have any question relating to this, feel free to go to the comment section and ask me. Right now, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, click on subscribe. You see the bell. Also click on the bell so that you will get all notifications. There are many topics we have handled, both in mathematics, in physics, chemistry, biology, CRS, government. So subscribe now, go over and watch some other videos so that you will keep learning. If you have any question, feel free to ask me now. Thank you.